The wind just took off, and I don't remember exactly what they called it, but it was almost like a tornado with fire in it, and it came over the hill, and it wiped out our house, it wiped out our next door neighbor's home. We were in the middle. The home on one side is still standing, the home on the other side is like ours, just pretty much rubble.
There was ash everywhere, and it got really cloudy, and so you kind of look around, see the most important things. You know, it was like my 3 dogs, my scrubs. I had a stethoscope that the nurses from this hospital gave me as a graduation gift, and it was like grabbing stuff, and it's like, that's got to come too.
We got burned down. We have our neighbors, surrounding neighbors got burned down, but just a caring heart makes you really redirect your mind and focus to what you can do to help someone else.
Still,
Yeah.
that I do.
Yeah.
So,
Coming from quite a ways. And I don't know if
my portfolio of about 30 years of my art is all gone. But like I said, I'm still got my talents and my hands, and I'm going to make more art.
The animals are really family for so many of these people, especially the dogs and the cats for our evacuees that are here provide a lot of emotional support.